Are you eligible to opt out of Oregon State unemployment insurance? If you're the sole owner and a corporate officer of an S corporation in Oregon, you might be able to opt out of paying state unemployment insurance, also known as UI. This exemption could help you save money, but only if you meet the qualifications and complete the process correctly. Here's everything you need to know. Who can qualify for the exemption? To be eligible, you must meet these 3 requirements. You must be a corporate director. You must hold a significant ownership interest in your business. If there are multiple owners, you must be part of the same family. If this sounds like you, you can move on to the application process. How to apply for the exemption. Here's a simple 4-step process to apply. Step 1, download the form. Head to the Oregon Employment Department's website and look for the Corporate Officer Exclusion Request Form, Form 2578. We've included more details about where to find it in the description below. Step 2, fill out the form. Provide basic business information, including details about your company, a list of corporate officers who want to be excluded. Double-check that you meet all the eligibility criteria before moving forward. Step 3, submit the form. You can either mail or fax the completed form to the Oregon Employment Department. Submission details, including the mailing address and fax number, are listed in the video description. Step 4, await confirmation. Once submitted, the Oregon Employment Department will review your request and notify you in writing. Your exemption will take effect on the first day of the quarter when you submitted the form, or on the first day of the prior quarter if you request backdating. Important considerations. Even if you're exempt from Oregon's unemployment insurance, federal unemployment taxes, known as FUTA, may still apply. Also, if your business ownership or corporate structure changes, you must notify the Oregon Employment Department within 30 days to remain compliant. Where to find more information. For more details about the process, including where to download the form and where to send it, check out the video description. This exemption could save your business money and help you streamline unnecessary expenses. If you qualify, take action today and start the process. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips to help you save money and keep your business finances on track.